Centrifugal fan housing automatic welding machine brings breakthrough changes to the centrifugal fan industry, making fan welding and manufacturing simple. The outer curve of the centrifugal fan housing is a non-standard Archimedean spiral line, and traditional automatic welding equipment cannot achieve real-time tracking of welds. Altron realizes intelligence. Centrifugal fan housing uses laser and visual system to locate welds, and rectangular coordinate manipulators cooperate with positioners to track welding. The visual system automatically locates the position of the weld, front and back and high and low, through laser. Even if it is an irregular spiral line, the fan housing is unevenly placed, and visual positioning does not affect the final robot tracking effect. Different welding machines can be replaced to achieve different welding processes, and can weld metal materials such as carbon steel, stainless steel, galvanized sheet, etc. Reduce the labor cost of welding while improving welding quality and welding efficiency. After welding, it is firm and beautiful, and no manual grinding is required, which changes the shortcomings of traditional centrifugal fan manufacturing process, which is labor-intensive and difficult to mass produce. The centrifugal fan housing equipment is easy to operate. The equipment uses laser and vision to automatically find the weld. The welding process does not contact the workpiece and does not generate jitter, ensuring the quality and reliability of the weld. Advantages: high welding efficiency and labor saving, reliable and beautiful welding quality, completely non-contact welding, no vibration, open system, adjustable parameters, simple operation, easy to use, centrifugal fan casing, does not need to be fixed, reduce production and management costs, greatly improve the degree of automated production. One worker can operate multiple machines to produce welding at the same time. Automatic welding machine can also perform circumferential welding on the raised flange of the air inlet cone, which is very easy to achieve for the centrifugal fan housing welding machine.
Industrial Centrifugal Fan Gantry Reinforcement. Automatic welding machine consists of a 5-axis servo control system, APLC, logic control system, a visual imaging positioning system, a welding machine system, a gun cleaning system, a welding smoke purification system, etc. The information of each welding node of the reinforcement is automatically obtained by CAD drawings and actual product calibration. The welding sequence and welding method can be freely set to reduce welding deformation. Each node only needs to be photographed once, and the system automatically gives the welding trajectory of each weld, and the welding gun welds in sequence. Altron's automatic welding system for portal reinforcement fundamentally solves the problems of low efficiency, high cost, and difficult to ensure welding quality of traditional manual welding. The operation process of the automatic welding machine for industrial centrifugal fan reinforcement. First, place the product in the welding work area and place it along the machine against the mountain. Import the corresponding CAD drawings and create a new project, and calibrate the actual product. The system automatically generates the coordinates of the photographing points and the welding sequence of each welding node. The equipment automatically welds in sequence according to the size of the welding node numbers generated by the system until the welding is completed. Advantages: high production efficiency and labor cost saving. The weld is beautiful, the welding quality is high, and basically no grinding is required. 3D visual imaging system, wide range of photography, flexible placement of solder, universal system, allowing new product drawings to be imported. and flexible setting of welding-related parameters. The operating range can be flexibly set according to the size of the solder or the site. Fully automatic intelligent welding, greatly improving the corporate image.